Hello guys, yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nova Yafe. Yan, kung makikita ninyo, yan yung dyan yung Ministry of Interior ito. Yan, sa likod ko. Tapos, yan, makikita nyo yung sea view na yan. Yan po yung Mediterranean Sea sa likod natin. Ayan. Dito I like this view. Nice. Wow, you see this, that is Misrad of name, the Ministry of Interior in Haifa, and
the main court.
That is the Haifa Port here in
new
Haifa.
Haifa port.
This is the new one.
Old one and the new one.
Yes, and this is the old one.
There is Acre.
Where is Acre?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And there is Naharia. There.
Where?
Yeah.
It's no, you cannot see.
Lebanon.
Yes. And from here we can see Krayot. That it's all Krayot where we are living before. Krayot. And here. And this man.
Mayor of I'm a fanatic with the mayor of Haifa.
Don't talk about the mayor. That is Mediterranean Sea. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Nova Yafe. In English, it's the nice view or beautiful view. Pataas yan. Ayan, sa taas niyan, Bahay Gardens. Ayan, meron tayong auditorium, Bahay Gardens, and Louis Promenade. Diba, ang ganda ng view niya dito. Ayan, dito pataas ng Carmel Center. Ayan, taas dyan. Ayan yung road ng Carmel Center pataas. Dito sa road na ito. Ayan. Ayan si Andre. He's taking a picture. At yan lang naman yung pinakamagandang tanawin dito. Sa Haifa. To go where? Mimul. Wow. Beautiful clouds.
Where is the palm there? You see the palm, some men there?